Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain the best settings for FC25. We'll start with general gameplay. Activating the competitive master switch ensures a balanced and challenging experience. For passing, set through pass assistance to semi, giving you more precise control. When defending, tactical defending allows for manual player switching and tackling. Finally, enable timed finishing to boost your shot accuracy and power, making every goal attempt count. Next, let's fine-tune your controller settings for maximum precision. Turning off analog sprint provides consistent speed without variable input. Enable pass block assistance to help your players automatically intercept opponent passes. For defensive control, keep auto clearances off, allowing you to decide when to clear the ball. Also, set right stick switching reference to player relative for more intuitive player changes. Now, let's optimize your camera settings for a strategic advantage. The co-op camera offers a broad view of the pitch, perfect for seeing passing lanes and defensive gaps. Set its height to 20 and zoom to 0 for maximum field awareness. Alternatively, telebroadcast provides a more traditional, immersive experience. For uninterrupted gameplay, ensure power shot zoom is turned off, preventing sudden camera changes during powerful shots. Finally, let's look at visual settings to balance beauty and performance. Always use your display's native resolution for the clearest picture. Aim for a consistent frame rate of 60 frames per second for incredibly smooth gameplay. Set rendering quality to high to enjoy detailed graphics and realistic player models. For an extra boost in performance, consider turning off strand-based hair, which can significantly improve your frame rate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.